Jack. He's about to get himself into trouble, isn't he? Oh, talk to the tail. Oh, Jack, you're luring him into your lair, which apparently has stick remnants in it. What to do, Brodie? Decisions. Consequences for bad behavior. You know all the things that Mommy tells you. Jack. Wait for it. Okay. Oh. It was a nice drive-through. You know you're just going to get in trouble. You really do. You just know that Jack's waiting for it. You're going to... Ooh. You did a drive-by. I know, Jack. He's still a baby. Cut him some slack, okay? It's kind of he's just one of those kids, right? Come on. Here, fix your hair. All right. Okay, no. All right. Why don't you let Jack come in? Okay? You ready? Do. Oh, I think I'll just go chew the okay, Brodie, Jack's leaving. Jack has left the lanai. Hey. No gardening, okay? Where'd he go? Gee, Mom, I don't know where he went. Okay, and this is an example of puppy brain. Yeah, he faked you out. Oh, keep sniffing. Where'd Jack go? Where's Jack? Where's Jack? There he is. Jack? Jack? Where is he? There he is. It's treat time? What do you think? All right. Well, he found you. Wouldn't call it the greatest search and rescue that's ever happened, but here we go. All right. Can you guys sit? Oh, wait. Sit. Jack. Jack, sit. Sit. You know how to sit. Jack, sit. Good man. Ooh, Brodie, nice sit. Didn't even have to ask. Such a talented young man. All right, there we go. You guys just have so much fun. Yeah. Sit again. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Do you want to try down? Down. Down. Holding the treats. You gonna go down? You're supposed to wait till you see them so you don't connect the command that you don't know what you're doing yet. Let's wait for it. Here. You're almost there. Come on. Come on. Let's go. In front of your nose. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. Brodie, down. Brodie, good down. Good job. Great job. Alrighty. Jack. Sit. We haven't tried Jack on down yet, but anyways, we're all good to go. Good job.